In this clip, the massive ship is still at the beginning of its journey, but strong waves kept it from starting its voyage. The ship was tossed back and forth until it almost capsized. Luckily for the passengers, the waves hit the ship before it went deeper into the ocean. Otherwise, it would have capsized and drowned everyone on board. If the waves are that strong on the shore, then how strong are they in the middle of the ocean? This video was filmed on a ship that was hit by unexpected and unprecedented waves. It was carrying a large cargo of cars, some of which fell into the ocean and others not so much. Due to the intensity of the waves, the cars were crashing into with each other and certainly sustained severe damage. While the men onboard the ship, each one of them was trying for his life. He didn't even try to stabilize the ships on the edge of the ship before one fell off one and the other. The scene is indescribably terrifying. It's enough for them to see the waves higher than the ship they're on. They are in the middle of the ocean, and there is no way to survive, as they are in an unenviable position. So this tourist watches the waves hit the nets next to him without having a panic attack. He was enjoying his time during the storm by walking around the ship and enjoying the movement of the ship left and right, but he soon realized that they were in a dire situation that could lead to the loss of the lives of everyone on the ship. The waves are not to be trusted. And the waves can get so big and the ship can't handle them and turn upside down. So the man kept watching from the window and prayed that the waves would calm down so he could save his life. The ship was close to the harbor, but the waves prevented it from docking. The captain of the ship was trying to get closer to the harbor, but to no avail. The waves prevented the ship from moving a single step forward, and even pushed it backwards into the depths of the ocean. The captain had no choice but to call for help immediately before the ship and everyone on board sank. It wasn't long before a helicopter arrived and was able to land on the ship to salvage what could be salvaged until the waves subsided. The captain of that ship didn't expect the waves on this day to be any stronger than usual. They hit him out of nowhere, so he couldn't escape its wrath, and the ship sank with everyone on board. The water kept coming up on her hull, little by little, until she was completely submerged and destroyed everything on board. Fortunately, the ship was empty of people, so no one died because of it, and only tourist travelers continue to be hit by the waves and cause them to sink. Even warships and aircraft carriers were not spared from the brunt of the waves. In this clip, we see that the waves were too high for the ship's deck that hit the airplane on board. The water inside the airplane will definitely damage it. It will need to be repaired before anyone can get on board. We are in the city of Egypt. Music. Some may think that nature is a fascinating thing and should be seen constantly. But in this clip, we're going to change that. Nature is indescribably frightening. If the videos we've just shown hadn't been recorded, no one would believe that this really happened, especially when it comes to the huge waves that hit the giant ships. As soon as a person imagines themselves in such a situation, one's heart might stop beating. So what if he was actually involved in it? For 1 second, cruise ships against the surrounding giant waves